Hear that gurgle? That's tomorrow's work order trying to get on today's schedule. One slow sink can become an overflow, but you need the line open now. Clear Out is a granular drain opener that stays calm until it reaches the clog. It's activated by water, building heat up to about 212 degrees Fahrenheit to loosen grease, food, and soap scum into something your drain can move. Granular makes it simple. You dose exactly what you need. A single case covers more than 200 applications, which is the kind of math maintenance teams like. And while it works, it leaves a light lemon scent so the area smells handled, not harsh. Where does it shine? Prep sinks loaded with fats and starch, mop sinks that catch everything, floor drains that love to collect the worst of the worst. Pour it, activate it, wait, and then get on with your day. Wear proper PPE. Follow the label and review the SDS before use. If you're ready for less clogs, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out Clear Out and more.